looking pretty good, I think. I'm quite happy with that. You can start to see how it's going to shape up now, what's where. I'll give you a quick explanation. That's so the bathroom there, and then there's going to be a walk-in wardrobe there, and then here is this bit here is going to be a bedroom, a spare bedroom, and this bit here is the entranceway. It's a tiny terrace, a tiny veranda, if you like, that's going to go into the tambor. What's called tambor in Russian? That'll go into there. So you've got bedroom on the left, corridor and hallway, if you like, there. Here's the big window. That's where the big window's going to go, the giant window, and the bedroom at the back. And then on this side we've got this here, this square here entirely is the veranda, terrace, what do you call that in English? Veranda, I suppose. Decking, if you like. That's going to be that there. And then at the back of this directly from here on is the kitchen. So the kitchen goes from here to right back here to here, and then here, this is the plan of where the boiler will go, and so it's going to be like a pantry, if you like, in English, a kind of a big pantry. So there'll be a door over there, and the boiler, the gas boiler, will be right on this wall here. So it's ventilated away from the house. It'll be sort of for the door, so if there's any gas leaks, it's not coming into the house. So that'll be there. That'll have its own ventilation in there. It's very simple to get the gas. You just dig a line straight down here, out to there, and then connect up to the gas. That makes life easier. And yeah, that's it. Don't have mentioned in earlier videos about the trees here that remain. You can see now that's a topple in full bloom, beautiful tree. And then we've got this silver birch, which is right beside the house, and if it comes down on us, we've got a big problem. But hey, take a risk in life. And that's the split Eva in Russian. I forgot what it's called. I forgot what it's called in English. Anyway, split elm, is it? Split elm, I think you call that. That's a lovely tree, that. And then at the back we've got a cena. So this provides a lovely shady area here. So of course it's all overgrown, but this is beautiful and shady here in the daytime. It's actually very, very nice when it's cut down. Times are premium this time, because we've got 3 days of sun, and then it's supposed to be tomorrow is going to be plus 27 degrees, so very hot, and then after that we've got 3 days or a week of rain. It's non-stop rain, so I'm really on efforts to get done today and tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens, whether it's going to be full-on rain or it's going to be sort of showers. But yeah, that's where it's going to go. That's the house that it's going to go. The sun's blocking my view here, but yeah, and the kitchen will look out into this garden here, and that's the sun setting over there now. It's I think it's 8 o'clock at night now, by the way, and the sun's just still up over there. So lovely. Okay, I'll carry on the videos tomorrow or in the next part of this series, whichever it is. Okay.